Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve that questions where only 1 in 5 can solve this math problem. Because these many people solve it like this: 7 minus 6 as 1, 6 minus 7 as minus 1, and minus 1 times 1 or 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, which is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Yes, you had it right. Because when you have given multiple operations, that is subtraction and multiplication, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule or PEDMAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. But always solve from left to right. So the expression is 7 minus 6 times 6 minus 7. So first solve the multiplication. So 6 times 6 is 36. 7 minus 36 minus 7. Now there is only one sign, that is subtraction. So we have to solve it from left to right. So 7 minus 36 is minus 29 minus 7, that is minus 36. So what is the correct answer? Negative 36, not negative 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.